Alright everybody, how y'all doing, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with unboxing of case fans that I had purchased from Amazon. These case fans are the Apevia AF512L SRD. The SRD stands for standard red. There are no RGB. If you're not a big fan of RGB like I am, and you just want to use standard basic colors like white, or if you don't want the colors at all, you could go non-LED. You could go blue, pink, red, green, whatever color you like. You just go ahead and purchase these fans from Apevia. Now, before I get into the unboxing, y'all want to know, Ron, why you purchased a fan if you had purchased them up here, 5-pack RGB fan? Yes, I did. The reason why I'm purchasing these fans because the up here RGB 5-pack that I had brought is rattling. Two fans are rattling. So that means I have to go ahead and buy a whole nother pack stack again, and I'm not wasting $28 to $32 on more. So I say, you know what, Ron, take them out. Don't look back to buy RGB fans no more. Just stick to your basic LED fans and stick to something that you like, and you can go ahead on and let other consumers know that you do not have to put RGB fans in your computer if you don't want to. And by the way, a lot of y'all use these high-end products for presentational PC gaming builds. They're expensive, like the Leon Lee 3-pack going for $149. You divide 3 into $149.99, that's $50 per fan, which ain't making sense. About $49.98 per fan, which is expensive. You can say almost $50. So, just like I said, if you don't want to break the budget, and you don't have to spend that much, because keep in mind, before I get into unboxing of this, because y'all building fancy gaming PC rigs doesn't make that a better rig. It do not. Only thing what makes the rig is the CPU, your GPU, your motherboard, and your power supply. Everything else is minimalist. You could go ahead and go open chassis case, or you could go ahead and mount everything on the wall yourself. All right, let's get into it. Why I chose them? And I already told you why I chose them, because I'm having issues with my case fans from up here in the room, and they're rattling. And I do not like rattling noise while I'm listening or watching YouTube or my Netflix or Prime TV. Alrighty, just like I said, this is a 5-pack, and they from Apevia. They are from Apevia. So let's go ahead on and take them out the pack. Very, very good quality. Yes, oh, and they're very sturdy and heavy, which I like that. Nice. The fan blade is red. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest of them out. And then you get, like I said, you get 5 packs of fans. You get the red noise dampers already put on them, so that's not an issue. And you go ahead and get your case screws. And so that's not bad. You get 5 case screws in a pack. Now, you probably want to know how you're gonna power it up. Okay, if you're a big fan of Molex, as you see here, if you're a big fan of Molex, you could go ahead and connect the Molex, or you could go ahead and connect them through the 3-pin right here. Now, you probably sit down and say, well, Ron, how you gonna connect all 5 fans if you only have one system fan header on your motherboard? That's a good question. Alrighty. Now here, I love this company by Thermalright. This is a 10 case fan hookup. You plug 10 case fans in this piece right here, and you cannot go wrong with that there. Oh, I'm having trouble getting it out. I'll go ahead and show you the product. There we go. Show it to you. It's simple, easy, And this is what I use. I have this here in one of my builds. I have used this here for a friend's build. I used it for one of mine. Nice. You get your CPU fan header right there, and you get 9 fans. Now, if you're a big fan, you could use the CPU fan header for an extra fan connect. You could do that, and that would not be an issue. In the box, you get your tape. You could use this if you want to, but I prefer for you to use magnetic and your PWM system fan header controller. So yes, you plug this into your system fan header on the motherboard. It's going to be all temperatures of your fans into your system. So yes, if you're going to go ahead and connect more fans to your case, always get a fan controller hub. This is from Thermalright, and I'll be putting their website in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out. They have very great rep coolers, CPU coolers, AIOs, as well as RGB fans. So yes, you cannot go wrong with this company here. I love them and I use them. Alrighty, now what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to go ahead on and be connecting up all fans. I didn't want to connect up all fans, so give me 30 minutes, no more than an hour, to connect up all the fans to the hub. Alright everybody, I am back. That was a good 30-minute hookup. Yes. Now as you see them, they all lit. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can go ahead and see them correctly yourself. And yes, they are bright. Yes, they are. They are bright. And guess what? I don't hear nothing. They are very quiet. Yes, great airflow, which I'll be going over the airflow temps for you right now. Turn back on the lights, but as you see them, this is what you get in the dark. Nice red coloring. You cannot go wrong with that. Give you a little B-roll. And that's what I love about these fans from Apevia. Now, I've been using the Apevia for a while. I use their power supplies, I use their case fans, and they have some great PC cases as well too. And they also sell RGB addressable and non-addressable. So if you want to go ahead on and use their product, I'll be putting their website in the description below, which is apevia.com. Click on this link. It takes you right to the website, and you can go ahead on there and take a good idea of their products for yourself. Now let's go ahead on and over the last bit of the specs, and we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. The fan speed is 1350 RPM. Just like I said, you have a 3-pin and a 4-pin Molex. If you like using Molex, they also have a Molex fan controller hub, which I will be finding, and I'll be putting that in the description link below if you want to use the Molex, if you don't want to cut these off. Now, old schools like us, we used Molex back in the late 80s, early 90s, and late 90s, and early 2000s. Later on down the line, things start changing to where they was going with the 3 pins and the 4 pins connections. Now, you got magnetic connectors. So, which is great. Over the years, our product and the designs of our product has taken a change for better installation and for better cable management. The lifespan of these fans is 25,000 hours. Now, if you know how to do the reservation, you can go ahead and add your 3-in-1 oil by carefully peeling slowly the adhesive of this product label here. Peel that back slowly and drop 2 drops of 3-in-1 motor oil to go ahead on and restore the life of your bearings in the fan. Yes, they are bearing fueled, so they need oil. So over 25,000 hours of use, they're gonna start getting sluggish and they might be sticking. So just go ahead on there and restore your fans to quality. Now, the downside of this is if your LED lights burn out, you just have to buy you some new ones. That's automatic. And that's one thing I noticed with my up here fans. One of my LEDs just blinking. Even though if I could change the colors on it, it's blinking. As you hear, it is quiet. Now with the up here fans, one of the fan blades, no, two of my fans, the blades are rattling, making a glunking noise, which I really hate that. The airflow quality is 57.67 CFM. I don't have an airflow meter to test that for you, but it got good quality airflow. I can feel it. I mean, if they stand out like that, look at that. Look how nice that is. I'm gonna stand them up. And I'm gonna stand them up. And just show y'all. Don't that look nice standing up like that? We turn the light off again so you get a good clarity of it. Look at that. Now, if that's not bright enough for you, then I don't know what brightness y'all really like. But these fans are great from Apevia. Just like I said, I'll be putting the affiliation link in the description below if you love the color red and you want red in your system. If you have an office setup where you like to do skits, plays, you're a writer, you like writing stuff for content creators, and you say, hey, I love red, this works for me, then click on the affiliate link in the description below and purchase these fans for yourself. If you don't know how to install them, get a friend that knows how to install fans and build systems in your system and install them for you so you could be happy. If you know what you're doing, then go with it. But always make sure you go ahead and get the Thermalright fan controller hub that connects up to 10 fans. As you see, I got 5 here. You may have a computer case that holds up to 20 fans or 10 fans. You go ahead and buy another set of 5, 3 to the bottom, 3 to the top, 3 on the side, and 1 in the back. There you go. That's 3, 6, 9, and the 1 in the back makes 10. You good to go with these fans. Just like I said, Apevia makes great products. A lot of content creators don't like talking about them. They make great products. I use them. As y'all saw, the motherboard I use non-overclocking motherboard with VIMs. I use their power supply. I use their case fans. I'm going to go ahead and be using their PC cases soon, and the build that's coming up soon. So yes, I will be using a whole lot of stuff from Apevia, and I want y'all to check them out, see if y'all will rock with them in y'all next build. And that's all I have to say on this presentation. The Apevia AF512L SRD 5-pack 120mm case fans is a great option for your needs. They done multiple range of single colors from blue, pink, white, green, orange, etc. They do ARGBs. They make PC cases. They also do power supplies, and they do the 80 plus bronze power supplies. They are a great company. I love Apevia. I'll be putting their link in the information in the description below. All the information in the description below. If you want to check them out, I prefer for y'all to do so. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I got more great content coming your way, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.